The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Unimog 6x6 continues to impress with its sheer engineering sophistication. Every component in its drivetrain has been overbuilt to withstand constant abuse from the harshest terrain. The transfer case allows for seamless shifting between high and low gear ranges, while also managing torque distribution across the 6 wheels. This means that even when 1 or 2 wheels are airborne, power is still transmitted efficiently to the ones with traction, keeping the vehicle in motion. Its portal axle system is a defining feature that sets the Unimog apart from other off-road platforms. Unlike conventional axles, portal axles allow the differential to sit higher, giving the Unimog immense ground clearance without requiring oversized tires. This design not only boosts off-road capability but also protects critical components from obstacles such as rocks and tree stumps. The frame construction of the 2025 Unimog 6x6 uses a flexible torsion-resistant ladder frame made of high-strength steel. This frame is designed to twist without breaking, allowing the chassis to conform to uneven terrain while keeping all wheels in contact with the ground. This contributes greatly to the vehicle's stability when navigating boulder fields, steep slopes, or uneven trails. Articulation is another strong point. Each axle has independent travel with mechanical connections through torque tubes and coil springs. This configuration ensures that the suspension can flex dramatically without compromising traction or control. Coupled with the 3 locking differentials, the Unimog can keep moving even if 3 or more wheels lose grip. When carrying loads, the Unimog's gross vehicle weight rating can be configured between 16 to over 25 tons depending on customization. This makes it ideal for carrying industrial equipment, modular expedition cabins, or mission-specific tools like water tanks, firefighting foam cannons, or radar units. The rear chassis is a flatbed by default but can be configured with almost any container, shelter, or utility platform. Cab ergonomics in the 2025 model have also improved with more intuitive controls and wider seating configurations. The cab can accommodate 2 or 3 passengers, with enhanced air suspension seats for both driver and co-driver. These seats reduce fatigue by dampening vibrations and offering lumbar support, essential for long journeys across unpaved routes. The vehicle's lighting system has also been upgraded. New adaptive LED headlights provide focused illumination based on steering input and terrain angle. Auxiliary floodlights can be mounted on the roof, bumper, or mirrors to enhance visibility during nighttime operations, especially when navigating through forested or rocky environments. The cabin includes new digital instrumentation panels that display not only standard metrics like speed and RPM but also wheel angle, tilt degree, differential status, and tire pressure. Operators can now monitor vehicle status in real time and make adjustments on the go, improving safety and operational awareness. A built-in preheater system allows the Unimog to start easily in freezing climates. The system warms engine oil, cabin air, and even hydraulic fluids, ensuring the vehicle is ready to perform in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius. This is particularly important for military and Arctic expeditions. Air intake and exhaust systems have been engineered to allow deep water fording. The vertical snorkel-style air intake is positioned near the roofline and is sealed against dust and water intrusion. The exhaust system is elevated and shielded to prevent backflow or stalling in deep crossings. The onboard tire inflation system is one of the Unimog's signature features. At the push of a button, the driver can reduce tire pressure for soft sand or snow, and reinflate once back on firmer ground. This improves traction and reduces the chance of becoming bogged down in tricky conditions. The braking system uses air-over-hydraulic disc brakes with ABS as standard. Given the vehicle's weight and mission profile, the brakes are designed for extended use without overheating. There are also engine braking and hill descent assist features to maintain control during downhill operation under heavy loads. Mercedes-Benz has also focused on modularity with the 2025 model. The vehicle can be configured with winches, snowplows, cranes, tankers, or even mobile medical units. This adaptability makes it valuable to industries like mining, oil and gas, emergency response, and scientific exploration. Military clients often order the Unimog 6x6 with armor-plated cabs and bullet-resistant glass. These versions include blackout lighting, infrared camouflage, and special communication systems. Mercedes-Benz offers direct integration for defense-grade customizations without voiding the warranty or service agreement. Fuel efficiency is relatively high for a vehicle of its class. Despite its size and weight, the 2025 Unimog delivers a respectable fuel consumption rate, especially when driven at low RPMs. The high torque output allows it to haul massive loads without having to rev high, saving diesel over long distances. Cooling systems have been redesigned for better airflow and efficiency. The radiator and intercooler are now mounted in a modular fashion with easy access for maintenance. Auxiliary cooling units can be added for operations in deserts or tropical climates where ambient temperatures can cause overheating. The Unimog's electronics have been ruggedized. All wiring harnesses are protected with military-grade insulation, and connectors are sealed to prevent corrosion or water damage. This is essential for reliability in jungle, Arctic, or saltwater conditions. The vehicle's soundproofing and vibration damping have seen major improvements. The 2025 Unimog is noticeably quieter inside the cabin, which allows operators to communicate better and stay more focused during long missions. Another notable addition is the upgraded GPS and off-road navigation suite. The new system integrates satellite positioning with terrain data and vehicle telemetry. This gives operators real-time mapping with suggested routes based on slope, traction, and risk levels. To improve durability, the undercarriage has been reinforced with steel plates. Skid plates now cover all critical components including the oil pan, transmission housing, and transfer case. This protection reduces the chance of mechanical failure when driving over harsh terrain. There are new customization options for expedition users. Mercedes-Benz has partnered with several overland companies to offer factory-installed living modules. These include full beds, kitchens, toilets, and solar energy systems, allowing 2 to 4 people to live off-grid for weeks at a time. The power takeoff system has been upgraded to handle more demanding tools. Operators can run hydraulic saws, drills, pumps, and even auxiliary generators using the Unimog's engine power, turning the vehicle into a mobile workshop. Air conditioning and heating systems are now dual-zone. This allows individual control for driver and passenger, especially useful in large crew cabs or climates with extreme temperature shifts. For those operating in high-altitude areas, the Unimog comes with altitude compensation for the engine and fuel systems. Sensors automatically adjust injection timing and air-fuel mixture to prevent power loss in thin air environments. The new model includes anti-roll bars that can be disconnected electronically to allow maximum axle articulation during crawling or obstacle clearing. When re-engaged, they reduce body roll on uneven roads or during cornering. The windshield wipers now include heated elements to prevent freezing. The fluid reservoir is also insulated and can be heated to ensure clear visibility in icy conditions. There's also a new modular roof rack system designed to support satellite dishes, drone launchers, toolboxes, and extra fuel canisters. The rack is integrated into the roof's structural design to avoid compromising vehicle balance. A special locking system secures all external storage compartments. These locks are reinforced and can be controlled electronically or with biometric access for high-security operations. Additional sensors can be installed to detect radiation, gas leaks, or chemical presence in environments where contamination is a concern. This is particularly valuable for disaster response teams or hazardous material transport. Night vision cameras and thermal imaging systems are available as optional equipment. These enhance driver visibility in total darkness or fog, especially useful for military or search and rescue tasks. A rear-view camera with 360-degree surround view assists during reversing and tight maneuvering. Sensors along the body alert the driver of potential obstacles or proximity to other vehicles. Interior lighting is now configurable with red or white light, allowing night operations without compromising night vision. Dimmable LED strips are installed along the roofline and control panels. The handbrake is now electronically assisted, with hill hold functionality that prevents rollback when starting on a slope. This is a small change but offers big advantages when working with trailers or in mountainous regions. Emergency tools like fire extinguishers, medical kits, and satellite phones can be integrated into dashboard compartments or side lockers for quick access in critical moments. Rear axles are now independently suspended with new linkage geometry that enhances load distribution. This allows the Unimog to carry heavier rear loads without nose diving or bouncing on rough trails. A telemetry beacon system can transmit vehicle position, status, and diagnostics to a remote command center. This is ideal for fleet management, scientific expeditions, or security operations in remote locations. The engine compartment is designed for rapid servicing. Quick-release panels and centralized fluid reservoirs let technicians perform checks and maintenance without needing specialized tools. Exhaust outlets are positioned away from the body to prevent heat accumulation, reducing fire risk in dry vegetation or flammable environments. Heat shielding has been improved accordingly. Mercedes-Benz offers a digital training suite with virtual reality modules to train new drivers. These modules simulate rough terrain, breakdown scenarios, and off-road navigation without putting the vehicle at risk. Each Unimog can be ordered with custom paint coatings suited to specific environments. Matte green for forest, sand yellow for deserts, snow white for Arctic, or even infrared reflective coatings for stealth operations. Despite its military-grade capabilities, the 2025 Unimog is fully road legal in many countries. It meets safety and emissions standards, allowing it to be registered for civilian overland expeditions or commercial use. Support for the Unimog 6x6 includes a global parts network, mobile service teams, and direct factory access for complex repairs. Mercedes-Benz ensures that even in remote areas, support is never far away. The 2025 model further secures the Unimog's position as a living legend in the world of extreme off-road mobility. It's not just a tool, it's a survival machine crafted for the outer edges of the world where very few vehicles